Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to the last video of the week. Had a couple of good playouts yesterday, so we'll cover those, and we'll also have a look to see what we can expect for the rest of the week here. So we'll dive right into that. But first of all, we'll have a look at the economic calendar. So we see we've got red news pretty much all day today with the CPI coming out. We also have some red news on the USD at 10:30, which is around the start of the New York session there. So pretty much news all day. Just need to be a bit mindful of that. Now, if you don't mind trading the news, that's fine. I myself not a fan of it, so just be a bit cautious about that. So with the Dixie, we can see here we've had obviously we've got bearish momentum here. We've had this pull up, we've had this rejection. Now we're sort of starting to pull back a little bit. And we're just sort of consolidating in this area. But ultimately we are bearish, so we're looking for bearish trades here. Jump down to the 15-minute. Now, yesterday we were looking for some lower price action. Obviously, we're looking to come up into here, consolidate a bit, which we did, and then get that drop, which we got. It did come a little bit higher than the range I was looking for. Did ultimately break that high and then come down. And then as we see, if we look on the line chart, we failed to set a new low there and then come up and set a new high. So 15-minute has flipped bullish at this stage. And obviously our 4-hour is still bearish. So we just need to be a little bit careful of that when we're trading. Would dearly love to see a 15-minute break of structure today coming lower to then align with the 4-hour and start trading back along, aligning with the 4-hour trend there. But again, little tap into that area and away we went yesterday. So basically looking for today, we are obviously 15-minute bullish at the moment. We've got the low, the high. Then as we saw on the line chart, this is a higher low, higher high, and then we've come back down. We've sort of consolidated here at the moment. So basically would be looking to see probably this gap getting filled and looking for 15-minute bearish trades. So we may possibly see a push up into here. We could actually see a continuation bullish, which is very reasonable scenario. In that point, obviously not aligning with the 4-hour. Not a trade I'll be looking to take. A trade I would be looking to take, though, would be a possible break up, fill this 15-minute gap here up into this area, and then come down, break liquidity lows here, and then possibly look at starting to flip to a bearish scenario, and then we could looking to trade from there. So that's basically what I would be looking for today on the Dixie and something that I would be looking to trade. Euro USD. So as we saw yesterday, had a couple of scenarios lined up there. We did actually get one of those, which I took this trade, this pull down into this area, and then along from that position. So I might do a quick little breakdown of that trade so we can see what's actually happened there. So if we jump down on the 5-minute chart here, we can see the Asian range completed. The moment the Asian range finished, the 5-minute chart, the euro dropped down, came down into our point of interest there and bounced, created another equal low, bounced. And then we see here at the moment that the London session opened, we had this big push down on the start of the London session, and we obviously swept liquidity there that was created from that bounce. So there's liquidity being built there, bounce. People were getting into trades here and here, and then obviously dropped down, swept that liquidity, and then off it went. So basically, saw that liquidity sweep happen, got in on my trade, set my stop loss below the low there, and then wrote it up for a 1.3% account increase. So pretty happy with that. Wrote it up to about this midline here. It was just here, I think. So it came up, consolidated, broke a high again, and then I got out at that point. So basically for me, that was enough. I was happy with that gain. So nice little play out there. Obviously could have wrote it a lot higher, but not greedy and took what was on the table. So back onto our analysis for today. so we've had this break high, and now we've come down and we've kept this low, and now we're consolidating. So at this point in time, the 15-minute is still bullish, but obviously we are bullish on the 15-minute on the Dixie as well. So we need to be aware that we could see some lower price action start to come in. We can check this on the line chart, and we can see here that we are still bullish. So this low came up, set a higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we are consolidating. So basically, this is our current low through here. If we were to see that low then get broken, then we'd be looking at flipping and going bearish on the 15-minute. But if that holds and we get something going longer, we could then look at seeing something like this play out today, or we could possibly look at seeing something like this play out where we come down into that area and then go long from there without breaking this low would be the consideration there. So that's something to look at for today on the euro. Back to the candle chart now. GBP. So basically, we were looking at going long yesterday from the GBP. We got that out of here. So again, as I drew out, come in. So we were looking for a possible tap in, pull back up, tap back again, and then go long, which is obviously what we got here. We can see here we came in, tapped, went back up, tapped down, and then went long from there. So nice little trade scenario there that I marked out we were looking for. So great opportunity there to take trades, but obviously again we'll jump out on the 4-hour here and do our analysis for today. Let's have a look here. So we have set a higher high here on the 4-hour. So again, we'll just stay on this line chart for a sec. So you can see here we've had a pull up, low, high, higher, higher, low, higher, high. So we're still bullish on the 4-hour. We can go back to the candle chart now, down to a 15-minute, although 15-minute has flipped bearish. So what we are looking for at the moment is, are we going to see this area get swept, or are we going to see that area hold and continue bullish? So basically what I would like to see here at the moment is, as I said, we are 15-minute bearish. So what we're looking for here is, are we going to see a pull down into here, a hold of this low before going long, or are we going to see this area already hold as the low of the Asia, and then we see that Asian low get protected and we go long from there? So basically they're the trades that I'd be looking for today. Righto, guys, thanks for jumping on again this week. Hopefully some of you guys may have taken some profitable trades from the analysis that we've done this week, and I hope to catch you all on here again next week. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.